Daddy. Daddy. Me can't put the TV on cartoon.
No, leave it. Leave it. Me watch the TV.
Daddy, but you're asleep.
Leave it alone. Do not change it for we pop your neck. I better say me bust your face. No, change it if you're bad, man.
But you like
I can see it.
But you feel watching with your eye lock.
So what if me eye lock? I can see it. I see the light. Jesus make me can see the light. Come out of here before me bust your face. Put on the remote. I am watching the TV. Not because me eye lock. No stick too much. I for TV. I who buy the TV. Come out of here, man. I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna go. Me watch the TV. Yeah, perp. Yeah, perp.